In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted chats on Facebook. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have accidentally deleted some messages on Facebook and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open Facebook application. Click on your profiles icon at the top right corner of your screens. Then click on the settings icon. Now click on the search option and in the search bar type download profile information. Click on download profile information. Okay, since we only want to recover or deleted messages on Facebook, therefore click on this deselect all option and only select messages. Then scroll down and click on this create file option. Okay, now a file containing your deleted messages on Facebook is being prepared. Once that file is created, it will be sent to you. And once you have received the file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted chats on Facebook will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.